Eggs are often referred to as a nutritional powerhouse, and for good reason. Packed with essential nutrients, they can have a profound impact on your health. But what happens to your body if you incorporate 2 eggs into your daily diet for a week? Let's explore the transformation that can occur within just 7 days. 1. Boosted protein intake. One of the most significant changes you'll experience is an increase in your protein intake. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, making 2 eggs a day a great source of this essential nutrient. Protein is crucial for muscle repair, growth, and overall body function. By consuming 2 eggs daily, you're providing your body with the building blocks it needs to maintain healthy muscles, especially if you're active. 2. Enhanced nutrient profile. Eggs are brimming with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, choline, and selenium. Over a week, these nutrients work together to support various bodily functions. For instance, vitamin B12 is vital for red blood cell formation and nerve health, while choline is important for brain health and development. Consuming 2 eggs daily can help ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs, contributing to better overall health. 3. Improved eye health. Eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that play an essential role in eye health. These compounds help reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. By eating 2 eggs a day for a week, you may notice improved eye health and a reduction in eye strain, especially if you spend a lot of time in front of screens. 4. Heart health impact. For many years, eggs were thought to be detrimental to heart health due to their cholesterol content. However, recent research suggests that moderate egg consumption doesn't significantly impact cholesterol levels for most people. In fact, eating 2 eggs a day may help raise good HDL cholesterol levels, which can benefit cardiovascular health. Over a week, you might experience better heart health markers, especially if you balance your diet with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 5. Increased satiety and weight management. One of the most immediate benefits of eating 2 eggs daily is an increase in satiety. The protein and healthy fats in eggs can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of snacking on less healthy options. This can be particularly beneficial if you're trying to manage your weight. By the end of the week, you may find that you're naturally consuming fewer calories throughout the day, leading to better weight management. 6. Improved mood and cognitive function. The nutrients found in eggs can also positively influence your mood and cognitive function. The presence of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly if you choose eggs enriched with them, can enhance brain health and improve mood. Choline, too, is essential for neurotransmitter function. Over a week, you might notice a boost in your overall mood and cognitive clarity, making it easier to focus on tasks and engage with others. Conclusion: incorporating 2 eggs into your daily diet for a week can lead to a variety of health benefits, from improved nutrient intake to better heart health and cognitive function. While eggs are versatile and delicious, it's essential to pair them with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for optimal health. So, the next time you're planning your meals, consider adding eggs to your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Your body will thank you.